Do you ever wonder what to do with the RC car you own? I have an idea. Hello everyone. I bought this car like 5 years ago at my local Home Depot, not a sponsor by the way, and it was just sitting in my closet collecting dust, and I came across this post on Instagram where somebody had combined a DJI Osmo with an RC car. The only difference is that they didn't have the Z-axis, which I have. I don't know if this is still in production, but I'm so excited to see what's gonna happen when I actually operate this vehicle. It's pretty simple. Not rocket science. I won't be able to tell you exactly how to make yours because every car will be different. What I can tell you is that you can utilize this camera if you have it, or you can actually set up your DSLR, or you can put your GoPro there if you want to. You know, it doesn't, you figure it out how to build your platform for it. Now, the thing is, I wanted my car to look like a professional Taro vehicle, right? And what I did was I put all the components apart and I spray painted the springs, and I also spray painted the wheels, and I gave it a little detail on red so it can match the dial on the DJI Osmo. Aside from that, I basically use small rigs arms and I put a rod with a knot there, and that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science. So I can't wait to test this car, and actually my friend is gonna help me do this. He's waiting for me at Central Park, and we're gonna be looking at three things. We're gonna be looking at the speed control, we're gonna be looking at the stability of the camera, and we're gonna be looking at range. So hopefully we'll come back with some cool shots, so stick around. And I mean it, stick around, okay? Alright, so we actually switched locations because Central Park was packed and we came all the way downtown, and now I'm gonna try to get some cinematic shots with my friend Jerome riding his e-board. So let's do this. Woof! Alright guys, so we just finished shooting some stuff. I think we got really good shots and angles, and I can't wait to jump into Premiere and get it done. Thank you, G, for showing up in this project and helping out. Take it easy, brother. Stay safe. See you in a bit, guys. I gotta tell you, I'm so happy with the performance of this car. I'm so confident I will put it inside a church to follow the groom and the bride in a wedding. That's how confident I am. Now I have to say a few things. The speed control, it's not the best because there's lagging in between the steering wheel right here and the power in the motors. So basically they don't do it simultaneously. But after that first second, you can control it. It's super cool. Like, I can't complain about it. This is a $60 car performing like a high-end Taro system. This stability, optimal. This Z-axis is this. I'm so excited to see this shot finished. In terms of the range, I was able to operate the vehicle for like 60 feet, 70 feet, no problem. Now, the built-in Wi-Fi that the Osmo brings, I noticed that when you're surrounded by tall buildings, it kind of lags. So that was a little bit difficult. So to me, it was not that big of the deal because at the end of the day, I was just operating the car. I was not operating the camera. Now, if somebody else is operating the camera, then that person would have a hard time figuring out where the actual angle is. But other than that, I'm actually really happy with the performance. This is a 94-degree field of view cam, 20 millimeters. And at that low angle, I'm able to take all that context in the background. Like I'm able to incorporate all these buildings, and that to me is priceless. All right, enough talking. Let's see what we got. I'm so hyped. I want to see them. What you think about that? Not bad. For a $60 card, first Osmo to ever come out? Come on, you can't ask for more. Please let me know what you think on the comments below. And if you are trying to build your own RC cam, please tag me using my Instagram account listed in the description. I want to see your card and I want to see how your projects are gonna look with this new angle. They're gonna look fire. Why are you here? Oh, I'm just gonna share something. You need a haircut. Don't mind me. Yeah, it's hard to get a barber these days. In architecture, we like to retrofit. And that means taking an old thing, implement new technology to make it better. For example, if you can think about a factory around your house that is being turned into a new mall, that means that place is being retrofitted. Now, this is something similar to what you did, which I applaud, because you took an old thing and give it a new purpose. You reutilize it in a different way. It's got a new function now, right? Not to mention that anything you can possibly imagine involves embodied energy. This means all the energy that took that item to be produced and transported to your house. Now, if you just throw it away, all this material is gonna go to waste, and who knows where it's gonna end up, right? So by repurposing it, you're doing a good thing. You know, that is being responsible. We need to get away from that mindset that all we wanna do is buy and buy and buy. Let's make with what we have. And that is something really cool and environmentally friendly. And that's all I got for you guys. On to the next one. So serious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to share. And I'll see you on the next one. Hasta luego.